The Clark County Department of Aviation recently completed an 18-acre expansion of the aircraft parking area at Henderson Executive Airport. This investment in general aviation infrastructure helps prepare our airport system for future growth in the private and business jet traffic driven by high-profile, large-scale events. During big event weekends, general aviation operations at Harry Reid International Airport often reach capacity, and private aircraft are directed to Henderson and North Las Vegas Airport. In these instances, available aircraft parking at Henderson has reached capacity, making this expansion a necessity. The project began in April of 2022 on previously undeveloped land just west of the terminal building. The new space will also be able to support newer, heavier aircraft. This expansion is a welcome amenity for Henderson Executive Airport, whose convenient location offers easy access to freeways, hotels, convention spaces, and the world-famous Las Vegas Strip.